If you want to know how to fix your KakaoTalk login problem, this is going to be the right video for you. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So before you start, you want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Use the latest version of KakaoTalk. Check if KakaoTalk servers are working and ensure dates and time are set on automatic. All right, now let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or you could also try restarting your router if needed. If that is not the case, you can simply go ahead and verify your ID and password. Make sure that you are entering the correct ID and password, as both of them are in case sensitive. The other thing you can try to do is simply on the login screen, you can click on forgot password, and then you can reset using your email or phone number if needed. If none of it is working, you want to go to your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and simply go ahead and update your KakaoTalk by searching for it. If none of it is working, try restarting your mobile device, or you could also contact KakaoTalk support team. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.